In this video, I'm going to share to you on how I can make a flyer in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. So just simply go ahead in the Windows search bar and type Word. Click on it under the best match. Click on the blank document. Now here at the ribbon, you have to look at the all these tabs and just simply click on File tab. Now here you just need to simply go on with more templates, okay? And then from here, you will find this option flyers under suggested searches or on the right of side of the suggested searches. Click on that. And there are so many templates for flyers that you can choose, okay? So you just need to simply choose your style, your preference, and then go with it, okay? So we have here the music flyer. So simply click on that. Depending on the event, click on create. And then just simply close this, and then from here just need to simply type the event name, okay? So let's say for example music festival, okay? And you have here when, just simply edit the date from here, the time, the additional info for the event, and then that's it, okay? That's how you can easily make a flyer in your Microsoft Word. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.